Hello YouTube, this is Dawn from His Scribe. Welcome to my channel and thank you so much for stopping by. I am here today to do my setup in my 2022 horizontal recollections planner. Okay, this is a spiral planner and it's dated. I got it on sale 60% off at the beginning of the year because it is dated from June 2021 to May 2022, and of course I need this from January 1, 2022 to December 31st, 2022. So 60% off when you buy it this way. So hence that's why I got this one, and of course I made sure it's easy to modify in my opinion. So I have tabs that can cover everything. I just have to make a label for this one, which has 21 and 22 on it. And then I'm not even so much worried about the dates in here because I don't use this layout anyway. These labels I won't be using because again this is going to be a faith one. I may use some of these in something like, you know, in here. I could even use these, or possibly maybe some of the emojis or something. I don't know, but I doubt it for the most part. But anyway, I have a pocket here, so I don't need to alter that. But I do need to alter the months. So this starts with June. I am going to change these months. I'm going to leave the tab in the back that says notes because that will be fine. That's undated, so it doesn't matter. And as far as the dates, I don't use these particular ones in my layout, but I can cover those as well. So I will be using some washi, paper, different things like that to cover up the top part of the dates as I go through them. And again, I chose a horizontal this time, and I have on my channel a flip through of my previous calendar. Excuse me, previous planner. I'm dropping it right now. My happy planner for 2021, where I showed you I did my scripture writing in it, and I did, you know, washi and stamping and things like that. So you can go and see my flip through for that one. I have a playlist for all of those, so you can see that. Do a little bit different this year. The focus is going to be more on the fonts in this particular one. It will have some iconology in there as well. And then I also am doing the Bible sketch notes. Again, I'm not an artist and don't pretend to be, but I'm using this to visually represent things in the Bible that I find important to help tell the story, memorable moments and things like that. So I am going to be combining these two, I think, into this planner. So I want to go ahead and set it up. And with that setup, I am going to make some tabs. So I pulled out my Teresa Collins punch. I'm either going to use this one, or I pulled out this die set, and it was die set. I got it from Tuesday Morning, and this company, I want to say it was Lifestyle Crafts, I think it was. I have my code on my computer what the LC stands for, but I forgot which company. I think it was Life Crafts. But anyway, I think I may use this or that as one of the tabs. I don't know, that one, I don't know. So I may switch them up. I haven't quite decided. And I also pulled this out. I do actually have this punch, and I actually have some of the labels. I don't know right now. I mean, I could find them, but that may take me an hour to go through stuff, and I don't feel like doing that right now. But this, for some reason, I found these quicker, and they should have been together, but they weren't. I never opened this. This is from October 2015. That's when it dated, from Tuesday Morning. Anyway, but these labels will go right on top, and it has the months of the year, days of the weeks, and different things like that. So this also has one where you can date. So I'll probably use that for this first tab with a year on it, and just do that, or I may just print a label. But anyway, I'm going to be using that. I do have the coordinating washi to go with it, so I'm probably just going to set up the first couple ones and see what I want to do. If I want to do the punch, I'm gonna die cut a few out just to see which shape I like, and then I will come right back and we're gonna play around and see, because I already punched that one. This is how the Teresa Collins punch comes out, and then you will fold it in half like that to cover the tab. Now the clear piece will still be shown, which you probably can't see on this camera, but the clear piece will still be shown, but it's clear, so that won't be a problem. And then I can put the label on top of that. But I don't know if I want that shape. I don't think I do. So I think I'm gonna punch out a few more and die cut a few, and then I'm gonna pull them out. And I have a couple sheets of different paper. Now, I just put out some recollection cardstock that I had. So they have these colors. You can kind of see like a salmon, almost a navy, periwinkle, purple, you know, orange. I don't know. But so what my thinking was, so they had 4 colors. So this one right here that says August. I think I'm going to use this piece because that kind of matches that one. Very similar in color. So that one's going to be the tab for that one. And then we have this October is actually purple. I grabbed the wrong sheet. I didn't mean to grab blue. I need to put that one back. I just had a purple sheet. I don't know how I ended up with purple. I mean blue. But I would do, I'm going to get a dark purple. But then again, I don't know. Maybe I might want the contrast. We'll see. And then for this color, it's a darker one, but I'm going to use this one. I think that coordinates with that. And then for this color, I think I'm going to use that. Trying to debate. That was a little off for me. But I may go pull out 2 more sheets. But I'm going to come right back. I'm just going to die cut a few, and then we'll play around and see what looks right. Okay, so I'm back. First, I'm going to take these off because we do not need this anymore. And the back side. So it's 176 pages, 471 stickers, 1 pocket, monthly and weekly calendar pages, divider pages, pocket folder, and stickers for customizing your pages. So, get these little bits out of here. Alright. And hopefully I can get the sticker off without it being dramatic. Without it tearing up my cover. But you just never know. Sometimes things go off well and other times they don't. Alrighty. There we go. So I went ahead and I punched well, not punched, I die cut everything out. And I also took the liberty of going ahead and putting tape on everything so that we'll be ready to stick them down. Let me know what type of planner you chose to use this year and what type of faith or just type of planning are you planning on doing? If you're doing any faith planning, if so, what kind? Alright, so that is done. And again, so we're going to start right here. I'm trying to get the colors closest to it. I do not have colors to match these. But we're going to go along with it anyway. And I can, if I chose to, but I'm not going to do it. I could actually stick these 2 pages together. Which, I don't know, I may do that. Because I don't need this calendar right here. To be honest. I think I am. Just to get it out of my way. Alright. Oops, I knew it. That's why I should have done it, but anyway. I will have to trim that because guess what? You see what I did? I knew it. I should have done it that particular way. I should have actually could have taken it out, but I didn't. Guess what we're going to do? I love to fussy cut, but I do not cut straight lines. People don't understand it. I don't either. And if you don't know fussy cutting, that's what I do a lot of that on my other channel, my paper crafting. On my other channel, daretobecreative. Anyway, so that is that. So I'm going to use this rust color And these I have the tape on it, so I chose this one out of the dies. Just gonna fold it in half, and I am just going to take these down. And I am going to put this on fast forward so you can see that. So, I'm not impressed with this paper. I don't know why this Recollections paper is not doing it for me. Sorry about the sound of the bobby. But, yeah, it cracked. So I don't like that. But anyway, I had to change the tab here. And they're cracking on all the edges. But it won't bother. I mean, it's not going to come off if they take on both sides, so it'll stay. I don't like that. I may put some tape on top of it after I put these labels on. We'll see. So I think for this, there is a blank one here, clear with the dates. It only has, I'm just going to put the January date. I want to put all the dates on it. So that'll go there. And we want to start with January. Of course, you know, this is just a hack, and I really don't care about the tabs as much as I do what's inside of it. But I do want to be able to flip to those months as needed. Alright, so this is going to be February. And of course the days on the inside are not going to correspond. Oops, look at that. Because I'm on camera. Ugh, okay, they don't lift up. Everything I'm trying to do, but that's okay. Imperfection is okay. I'm not selling it, so it's okay. I don't have to stress. Alright, this is going to be April. How do you guys handle when you make a boo-boo in your planner? April. Let's get to May. And we've got June. I think I kept these stickers, man. I didn't one day I use them. And then we're looking for July. Alrighty, we're on to the 8th month. We're moving right along. I plan to cover, you know, some of the dashboards and stuff with washi. I looked around, I didn't really see any paper real quickly that would really necessarily match. And I did have the pad of paper. When I went into Michael's, they didn't have any of the paper pads, so but I am glad I did get the washi. I mean, that was just coincidental that I was able. I just happened to pick it up, didn't even realize that they matched. I would love to get the paper pad to go with it, then I can cut out some of it and make layouts with that. Alrighty, coming down to the wire. I believe the last one that says notes because, I mean, that one doesn't need to be altered. I'm good with that one. Okay. So, I can put it on the other side. Do I have enough of the other side? Yes. I have the months over here. January's missing. Oh, there's January. Okay. So I can put the months on the other side. To remind me where I'm at. So I just fast forward this part. Alrighty, we are all set up. And yeah, you saw me had to, I was checking each one because I know sometimes, you know, you're on camera, I swear, the simple things. I know my months in order back and forth, but I was checking each month to make sure I didn't mess up somewhere and skip something. So, yeah, so we have the months of the year. All there on both sides. And all I have to do now is to cover up the months. So, when I come back, when I do my first layout, you see it. You see I had to cut a hole in here because the word October, the month October, was stuck in here and I couldn't get it out. But I was determined to get it because I didn't want to have one not match. So, glad I kept this label. I knew it would come in handy one day. Anyway, so I am going to set up this June and make that January, but I'm going to do that in the next video when I do my planning, my writing. I'll probably do that last because I may decorate the sides. I don't know. It depends on if I can get paper colors to match, which I don't think I'm going to be able to get as much colors as I like, but I will try. Sorry about that crinkling, but I definitely have the washi, and I will be setting this all up to move forward. And so when I come back, this will be covered. And since the first started on a Sunday, I will start Saturday here in the second. So you have these two in my next video. So thank you for liking, watching, and subscribing. And I dare you to read God's Word. Take care. God bless. Bye-bye.